everyone, welcome to Kit Foods, a channel of recipes and travel and events. So guys, thank you for tuning back to Kit. Please browse membership for this channel. Please join for the super pack. And guys, if at all you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Remember also the notification bell as well. And please don't skip the ads. If you want to promote Kit Foods, don't skip the ads. Otherwise, today, guys, I'm back with this recipe, and today I'm going to make for you Kenyan okra stew. That is beef okra stew from Kenya, Kenyan style. So keep tuned. This is the okra that I'm going to do. Some people call it mother's finger, lady's finger, whichever name you prefer. And I have my beef here. I've already sliced them. And then I'm going to use peanut butter, as in for this stew. And for the spices that I'm going to use, I have turmeric, I have paprika, I have ginger, and cayenne. So guys, keep tuned and see. I want to make for you a very, very delicious Kenyan okra stew. Keep tuned. Meanwhile, while my beef is still cooking, I'll go ahead and chop my okra. So how do you people call this in your language or in your country? Because some people calls them, here in Kenya, we call it mother's finger, lady's finger, mother's finger or lady's finger. But West Africans calls it okra. Very tasty, guys. Just keep tuned. Some people prefers cooking them the way they are, but for me, I'm going to blend them. Some people also prefer boiling them first so that they get softer, but for mine, they'll cook well with the stew. So this is how we cut them. Back to my beef, come with me. Back to my beef, guys. Now remember, you're going to make a stew, and when you're making stew, you'll need a very, very nice aromatic stew. So in this case, I'm going to use, and remember I had put some powdered onions. I'm going to, let's put some onions to cook with this so that I can have a very tasty broth. So at the same time, I will add in some turmeric, ginger, and garlic. So give it a good mix. Then just cover it to let it cook. Keep tuned, guys. Through with my lady's fingers, the so-called okra. I'm going to blend them, guys. And I'll do away with this now. This is my blender. add water. Just enough, guys, not so much. Make sure you blend and make sure the consistency is okay. So guys, you can see I want it to be at least a bit smooth, so I'll continue. It's just okay. This is how we do okra here in Kenya. So I'll keep it aside and go to the next step. So keep tuned, guys. Let me just check on my beef. It is doing well. So I will let it cook until soft. Though the meat was a bit tender, it's nice, it's almost. I'll give it another 5 minutes and it will be done. When my beef is still cooking, I have the peanut paste. So I'll prepare it and keep it aside also. So guys, if you have the powdered peanut, it is easier and it will give you very easy time. Now you see, because I'm using this paste now, it means I have to use some hot water to help me to dilute it. So keep tuned. You add water and you stir. If you put it the way it is, it will not dissolve well. So make sure you use some warm water, not really hot water, but warm water to dilute it. So the amount that you are going to use will depend on the size of your meat. I'm preparing 1 kg of beef. Don't make it so dilute. So if you have powdered one, it's better, it's easier. But even for this, it's just okay. So guys, you can see my paste. So this one I'll also keep it aside. And now blend my tomatoes. Keep tuned. So next, now I'm going to take out my beef. I guess it's ready now. Beef. Whoa. Yes, you can see it's now done. And now this, you see how broth is healthy. My broth is so nice. So I'm just going to take it out. I'm going to strain out the broth and continue with cooking. So keep tuned. See, this is a nice broth. You can see how healthy it is because of the spices, the ingredients that I used plus the spices. So keep tuned, guys. First, cooking fat. Not so much. Remember, we have peanut and peanut is oily. So just enough. You let the oil cook. Add your onions. So guys, my onions have become translucent. So I'm going to add my blended tomatoes. Give it a good mix. So I'll let my tomatoes cook. Meanwhile, I prepare my spices. This is cayenne, turmeric, paprika, garlic, and lastly, beef flavor, beef curry. Give everything a good mix. Remember salt? I boiled my beef with salt. I boiled my beef with some salt, so I'm not going to add so much salt, not unless I taste my broth. So guys, after mixing all the ingredients and spices, you make sure you let them cook for a while. So I'll just cover it and let it cook for some time. It is all right. Now this is the time now. I'm going to add and give it a good stir. This is the time I'm going to add my peanuts. Now, after mixing up everything, now I can add in my beef. And now give it a good mix. I'll just add some water. And now cover to let it cook. This one you can serve with ugali. Very, very nice and tasty. So this is how we make our Kenyan okra beef stew. So let me just cover it and let it cook. So guys, this is my okra beef stew. See how it is. So just wait and see how I'm going to serve it. So tastily. It needs a little bit of salt. So guys, you have to let okra cook well. So that's why we are going to give it some time to cook still. This is my okra stew. This is my okra stew now. I just want to enjoy it with ugali. So this is the African way of eating ugali, Kenyan style. Then you make a hole. Look at this. Then you scoop. Oh, yummy. It's hot though. So this is how we make our okra soup. So please guys, view this video, like, share my video, give my video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.